In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a live chat widget in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make the widget match your brand so visitors feel comfortable reaching out. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Sites. This is where your web assets live and where you'll manage things like pages, forms, and of course your chat widget. Inside Sites, open the Chat Widget section. This is the control center for creating and customizing your website chat. Go ahead and click New to create a fresh widget. Starting a new one keeps things clean and makes it easy to compare settings as you learn what works best for your audience. You'll be asked to select the type of chat you want. Choose Live Chat. This option gives your visitors a simple, real-time way to reach you or your team, which can significantly improve response times and conversions. Next, switch to the Style area. This is where you set the look and feel. Pick colors that align with your brand and keep contrast high so text is easy to read. If you use a logo or icon, make sure it appears crisp at small sizes. A consistent style helps the widget feel like part of your site rather than an add-on. Now, open the widget placement settings. You have two main choices. Sticky places the chat as a floating bubble, usually at the bottom corner of the screen. Click Sticky if you want a site-wide, always accessible chat that follows the user as they scroll. This is the most common choice and works well for most websites. Alternatively, choose Embedded/Inline if you want the chat to appear within a specific section of a page. Click Embedded/Inline to preview how it looks when it's integrated into your content layout. This is helpful for dedicated support or pricing pages where you want the chat to feel like part of the main design. Next, move to the Chat Window tab. This controls what the chat looks like after someone opens it. Adjust items like the header, theme, and initial view so the conversation area is welcoming and clear. Finally, open the Messaging tab. Here, fine-tune the language your visitors see, your greeting, any introductory text, and expectations around response times. Friendly, concise copy goes a long way toward encouraging people to start the conversation. That's it. You've navigated to sites, opened Chat Widget, created a new one, selected Live Chat, styled it, chose your placement, and refined both the chat window and messaging. You're ready to engage visitors the moment they need help.